Hello my dear students, how are you all? So my dear students, in the previous video we have seen how conduction is occurring in the composite slabs, okay, with convection at boundaries, without convection at boundaries, okay. Now in this video we will see that what is your thermal contact resistance, okay, what is your thermal contact resistance. So when there is a contact between two bodies, then the contact will not be perfect due to what? Due to roughness of the body. Due to roughness of the body. Let us see how. So if I am having any body, any two bodies, so in this case, maybe the contact is not perfect. The contact is not perfect due to uneven hills and valleys. Due to uneven hills and valleys. Okay, my dear students. If I will zoom it, there is something like this. Okay, so this is your metal to metal contact. This is your metal to metal contact. Okay, and outside it there are air particles, or we can say air is filled here. Air or any gas can be filled here. So this is your, we can say, air or gas. Air or gas. So my dear students, when this air or gas is filled inside this, then what will happen? This will offer a high thermal resistance, okay, due to which the heat transfer will decrease. Okay, now heat transfer will decrease in this region where there is a contact, thermal contact. Now what will be, what we can say about temperature? So there will be a sudden change in temperature in this. There will be a sudden change in temperature in this. Let us say if there is, this is to be like this, there is a temperature drop like this inside this. Let us take it T1, and that is your T0 or TC1, T contact 1. Now there will be a sudden temperature change like this, then this will be like this. Let us take it T2, and that is your TC2. So my dear students, due to this roughness or contact, there will be what? There will be a sudden temperature drop inside this. Okay. So now how we can define this? How we can define this? Let us see. Let us see it. How we can define this? So my dear students, when two surfaces are brought in contact, so my dear students, when two surfaces are brought in contact may not be perfect. May not be perfect. Why? Due to roughness. Due to roughness. That is your hills and valleys. Hills and valleys. Due to which hills and valleys, roughness, due to roughness, due to which there is a high thermal resistance. High thermal resistance, my dear students. High thermal resistance. Why? Because air or gas is filled in between the roughness, or we can say hills and valleys. Hills and valleys. Hills and valleys, which is having low thermal conductivity, low thermal conductivity, my dear students, low thermal conductivity, low thermal conductivity. So the resistance, or we can say thermal resistance will be so high, so the thermal resistance will be so high that there will be sudden temperature drop. There will be sudden temperature drop. So my dear students, if contact is not perfect, then the heat transfer will decrease. So we can conclude that if contact is not perfect, then there will be less rate of heat transfer, my dear students. Okay, less rate of heat transfer. So if temperature is not visible, I will show you here. That is in the direction of x, that is your x in this side, that is your x, that is your height. We can directly take h. So temperature is like this. This will be a drop like this due to conductive resistance, and then there will be sudden change like this, and then again like this. This is your T2, this is your TC1, this is your TC2. So there will be sudden temperature drop. Okay, my dear students. So I think this is clear now. So if these air particles are there, then what will be there? So this, if there is air or gas particles, this will offer high thermal resistance. So you can now see that how thermal contact resistance is offering high thermal resistance. Okay, so now we will see the thermal contact resistance we have already seen. Now let us see that what will be the temperature profiles when convection is occurring on the both surfaces. So temperature profile with convection at both boundaries, So let us assume there is a slab, okay, this is your plain slab with length L, or we can only directly take like length only plain slab. Okay, this is your slab, okay, where conduction is occurring. So what will be there? There will be conduction, and if this is having some higher temperature and this is having some lower temperature, so this side what I am assuming is T higher, this side I am assuming is T lower. So what can I assume? Cold air is here and hot air is this side. So what will be there? There will be convection at both the surfaces. So my dear students, let us see what will be the temperature profile. So temperature profile in this case will be linear. We have already seen. So temperature profile in this case will be linear. So this is your linear temperature profile. Okay. So if I will see from here, the temperature profile from this side will be given by this, like this. Okay, that is temperature profile due to convection at the hotter side. Now, and this side the convection profile will be like this. Let us take it like this. This will be like this. Okay. Now, this is your TL. This is your TH. So these will be your temperature profiles when convection is occurring at the both sides. Again, why are they like this? Let us see. So we know the convection heat transfer is given by HA delta T. HA delta T. Okay, HA delta T. So delta T will be TH into the temperature, TH minus temperature of this boundary. So you can see the slope is increasing this side. So the slope is increasing this side slowly, 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 slowly. The slope is increasing. Why? Because when you will analyze, the gases here are comparatively more hotter than compared to this surface. Okay. So what will be happen? The temperature here, T1 here, T2 here, and T3 here, they will be almost similar. Almost similar. So delta T will be what? Less. Delta T will be what? Less. So when delta T will be less in the direction of that X, this delta T will increase slowly, slowly, slowly. So here it will be like some hot gas here. Hot gas will be here, and this is some cold surface again. Cold surface again. So the temperature difference will be. So difference of temperature will be high. Okay, my dear students, difference of temperature will be high. So the profile is like this. That's why it is like this. So if you will see here, again, this is the concept. The temperature here is higher, the temperature here is lower, temperature here is higher, temperature is lower. Slowly, what is happening? Slowly, that delta T is decreasing. So the profile is becoming like this, my dear students. So I think you have got the concept. So temperature profiles will be like this. This is very much important for your gate. They can ask in 1 mark. So remember it carefully. Okay.